Hello, I'm Blair, and welcome to our Classroom in a Box for skin texture. Skin possesses an organic structure that is visible across its surface. Each physical feature, whether it's a wrinkle or a hair or a bump, is affected by the illumination falling on it. The side of a shape with illumination will appear lighter than the shadow side, and often a reflection of light source, called a specular highlight, is visible. This light and shadow helps to give the skin the appearance of dimension. As light changes direction, so does the placement of highlight and shadow. In this instructional video, we will explore the creation of wrinkled skin and colors I use to obtain accurate skin tones. I'll demonstrate freehand techniques as well as the application of masks and other tools to obtain a realistic outcome. When it comes to flesh color, I start with the color wheel. Notice that I can represent light or dark values with a lighter or darker version of my color wheel. Flesh tones can generally be found in this area right here.